Type your text. Go to Effect, 3D and Materials. 3D, Rotate. Position, Isometric Top. Hold Alt and drag the text up to duplicate it. Change the color of this text. Select both texts. Go to Object. Expand Appearance. Go to Object. Blend. Blend Options. Spacing, Specified Steps. I use an amount of 4. Go to Object. Blend. Make. Double-click on the top text and place it back over the other text. Go to Object. Envelope Distort. Make with Mesh. I use 4 rows and 4 columns, but you can also use a different amount. Select the Direct Selection tool. Move the points to create the wrinkled text effect. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Illustrator text effects.